Have you ever wished tufting could be simpler? Art you can easily reach? And now, it is. Introducing Craftphilia, the world's first fully automated tufting machine. Start with any image. Import it into Craftphilia Studio. Tufting path is generated instantly. Then, it starts working. Stitch by stitch, it transforms your design into a real textile piece. Even intricate designs come out clean. Less time tracing or fixing by hand. An idea becomes an image. The machine carries it forward, line by line. What once lived in your mind begins to take form in material. Even fabric tension is automatic. Stable all the way. No readjusting, no distortion. And the frame is designed to be safe, while the digital system ensures control and precision at every stage. So the whole process feels more secure to run. The deeper change goes beyond that. For someone trying tufting for the first time, tufting no longer begins with complicated steps. For creators, ideas are no longer limited by technique. For makers already working with their hands, you don't have to spend hours on repetitive physical labor anymore. You can focus again on color, composition, and what you truly want to create. What you hold is imagination brought to life. It reliably turns your ideas into finished work. Craftphilia Tufting Machine. Craft comes closer than ever before. Every creation begins with ease and finishes in confidence.